Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 98, Taster. This is another lateral thinking puzzle. Thank you for giving me some great feedback on the puzzles I've been posting. Let's see how you go with this one. Here we go. Although I am good at tasting, I am bad at smelling. What am I? A clue will be given on the next slide. So see if you can solve this and just persist with it for a few minutes, because in 2 minutes time I will give you the clue on the next slide if you need it. Okay, as promised, here is your clue if you need it. I wonder how you went. Let's have a look at the clue. Although I am good at tasting, I am bad at smelling. What am I? The clue, it is a body part. The answer is on the next slide, and I'll give you the answer in 1 minute, so please persist with it and try and solve it yourself. It'll be very satisfying. I'll give you the answer in 1 minute's time. Okay, as promised, here is your answer. I wonder how you went. Although I am good at tasting, I am bad at smelling. What am I? A tongue. Probably pretty obvious. I suppose a lot of these are quite obvious when you have the answer. I'm pretty confident you would have got that one. And if so, well done. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, You can do it so on the next slide, and I'll go there right now.